So it's my birthday, 11th of October. Geothermal pool here. This is the first one in Britain. I'm very proud that it's in my hometown, Penzance. So that is down there. Beautiful sunny morning. Taking the covers off the pool. I'm going to put a little video together of the stages of it being built. So I've recorded that. Look at that. This is the old Seaman's mission over there. Beautiful day. Well, here we are, 37 degrees C, it's brilliant. It's very salty, which is nice in itself. So it's seawater, and it's very buoyant, great for floating, bobbing about. Really can highly recommend it. It's exceeded my expectations, not cold at all. Yeah, brilliant in the middle of the